Earth, our home planet, is a world unlike any others. The third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only place in the universe confirmed to have host life. Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system, and it's the only one known for sure have to liquid water on its surface. Every other solar system planet was named by Greek or Roman deity. But thousands years some culture have described our world using the Germanic word earth, which means simply the ground. There is no question that Earth has been a giving planet. Everything humans have needed to survive the flourish was provided by the natural world around us. Food, water, medicine, material for shelter, and even natural cycle such as climate and nutrient. Scientists have came to term such gift ecosystem service. We have so disconnected ourselves from the natural world that it is easy and often convenient to forget the nature, remain as giving as evil. Even as it vanished bite by bite, the rise of technology and industry, many have distanced us superficially from nature. But it has not changed our reliance on the natural world. Most of what we use and consume on a daily basis remain the product of multitude of interaction with nature, and many of those interactions are imperiled. Beyond such physical goods, the natural world provides less tangible but just as important gift in the term of beauty, art, and spirituality. Fresh water, pollination, seed dispersal, pest control, soil health, medicine, biodiversity, and wildlife abundance, climate regulation, and many more. For all this great gifted by earth, we have to thankful everything provided by earth without any expectation from us. For this gratitude we celebrated World Earth Day. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated around the world on April 22nd to demonstrate support for environment protection, first celebrated in 1970. It now includes events coordinated globally by the Earth Day network in more than 193 countries. Earth Day 2020 is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Celebrated include activities such as Great Global Cleanup, citizen science, advocacy, education, and art for the earth. If we will save the nature, then we have saved our life and next generation.